Ever felt like your brain is a browser with 1,000 tabs open, and you're desperately trying to find that one tab with the recipe for grandma's apple pie? Or maybe you're juggling a million tasks at work, and you're just praying you don't drop the ball? You know that feeling, right? That sense of overwhelm, that chaotic energy that just saps your productivity? Well, what if I told you there's a digital tool that can transform that chaotic browser into a neatly organized, color-coded dashboard? A tool that can bring order to the madness, whether you're planning a wedding, managing a team, or just trying to remember to pick up milk on the way home. Today, we're diving deep into that tool. We're asking, what exactly is Trello? And more importantly, how can it revolutionize the way you work and live? Let's break it down. At its core, Trello is a visual collaboration tool. Think of it as a digital whiteboard, but infinitely more powerful. It's built on a system of boards, lists, and cards designed to help you organize anything and everything. Imagine a physical whiteboard. You might use sticky notes to represent tasks, moving them from to-do to doing to done. Trello replicates this simple, intuitive process, but in a digital space. So, let's unpack those key components. Boards. These are your main workspaces. Think of a board as a project, a team, or any overarching category of tasks. You could have a board for marketing campaigns, home renovation, or even weekly meal planning. Each board is a self-contained space where you can manage all the related tasks. Lists. Inside each board, you'll find lists. These represent the stages of your workflow. Common examples include to-do, in progress, and completed, but you can customize them to fit your specific needs. If you're planning a blog post, you might have lists like ideas, drafting, editing, and published. Cards. These are the individual tasks or items within your lists. They're the sticky notes of the digital world. Each card can contain a wealth of information, including descriptions, checklists, due dates, attachments, and comments. You can even assign cards to specific team members. Now, why is this system so effective? Firstly, it's visual. The drag-and-drop interface makes it incredibly easy to see the status of your tasks at a glance. You don't have to wade through endless spreadsheets or emails. You can instantly see what needs to be done, what's in progress, and what's completed. Secondly, it's flexible. Trello isn't limited to a specific industry or workflow. Whether you're a project manager, a student, a freelancer, or a busy parent, you can adapt Trello to your needs. You can create boards for anything from managing a software development project to planning a family vacation. Thirdly, it's collaborative. Trello makes it easy to work with others. You can invite team members to your boards, assign tasks, and communicate directly within the cards. This eliminates the need for endless email chains and ensures everyone is on the same page. But Trello is more than just a basic task management tool. It offers a range of features that make it even more powerful. Checklists. Break down large tasks into smaller, manageable steps. This helps you stay organized and track your progress. Due dates. Set deadlines for your cards and receive reminders so you never miss a beat. Attachments. Add files, images, and links to your cards to keep all your relevant information in one place. Labels. Categorize your cards with color-coded labels. This makes it easy to filter and find specific tasks. Comments. Communicate with your team members directly within the cards. This keeps all your conversations in context and eliminates the need for separate email threads. Power UPS. Extend the functionality of Trello with Power UPS, which are integrations with other apps and services. You can connect Trello to tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Dropbox, automating workflows and streamlining your processes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.